This car organizer for the back seat is amazing, and it's very suitable, especially if you have kids, because it has this little pocket for the iPad. They can put their phones as well. They can put their tablets. It's really spacious and it has many pockets. This one has a Velcro, so you can like hold it in. It doesn't like just open, and it has mesh pockets for the phones, for the sunglasses, for their books as well, even for their toys. They can basically fit anything and everything in this, and it comes in two, so we can put on each car seat. It also has like an added benefit. It will protect the back of your car seat from your kids like kicking on it. So it's very simple to install. All we need to do is like open these two. Let's make it a little bit smaller and then slide it here and click. Snap it to click. I'm going to bring it out like that. You can make it smaller, of course. And this will also be all around the seat. So, and you just like snap it close from here. And that's it. It's super easy to install. Look at that. Amazing. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.